This is more of a Sunday rant than a Sunday conversation. I ordered some cream pickup rings from a dealer on eBay. I got them and they were more yellow-ish than cream. And then I went through my parts bin and I started to realize cream doesn't mean the same to everyone else. So I ordered some Stu Mac pickup rings. That's sort of a vintage Gibson-ish cream. If you buy some of the cheaper stuff from China, these are more yellow-ish pickup rings. And then this is a faded cream. It's not white, I know that much, because I have white in another drawer. White usually means white, and there's some off-whites. Black is black, gold is gold. But for some reason, they can't get cream right, so every manufacturer who's making pickup rings has sort of a different tint. That's a huge problem when you're trying to put together a guitar. This is a Tally I've been working on for a while. I was going through my pickup rings and I found these cream pickup rings. Tried to match the Stu Mac binding, wasn't even close. So then I ordered another set instead of ordering from Stu Mac because the shipping is $10 or whatever. Got those. Those are more yellow, not even close. So I went ahead and ordered some more from Stu Mac, which matched the binding perfectly. And the key lesson there is if you're buying pickup rings, you need to buy the binding and all that from the same vendor. So if you're going to buy binding from AliExpress or eBay, make sure you're buying the pickup rings to match at the same time. Obviously it doesn't matter if you're using gold, black, and white. If you're doing cream, get the binding to match the pickup rings, and that usually means buying from the same vendor. I buy my binding from Stu Mac, so I should be buying my pickup rings from Stu Mac. So lesson learned for myself, just wanted to pass that along to you guys as well. So thanks for watching, we will see you in the next video.